Open the Karma-SUBITO app and scroll down to the Karma Curated events. To view the complete offering of Karma Curated events, click on View More. Choose your location to filter events in your region. Then, pick an event of your choosing. You'll see all the details: date, venue, itinerary, and if you have any questions, just tap Raise a Query and send a message to your Karma Concierge team. When you're ready, tap Book Now and add your details. Click on the Family Member button to auto-fill your information. Then tap Add Guest to include family members or guests. Once all the guest details are in, tap Confirm Booking. And that's it. Your booking is instantly confirmed, and you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap View Booking Details to check your upcoming Karma Curated events anytime. Now, if you're booking a Karma Curated event using a mix of cash and points, follow the same procedure. Select your event, tap Book Now, add your guests and their details, and click Confirm Booking. You'll be redirected to your preferred payment gateway. Complete the payment, and your confirmation appears right away. Tap View Booking Details to review your upcoming Karma Curated event anytime. Need to cancel? Simply tap the Cancel Booking, state your reason, and hit Cancel. Done. Welcome to Karma-SUBITO app, seamless to use, made for you.